Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, it's been a while we dropped a video, but yes, we'll be starting off again. I know this is going to be a very nice one. So we're doing a curve. Yes, the proper way to do a curve, the one that makes more sense. So yes, let's just go into the video. Thank you for staying tuned. Thank you once again for joining. Neat. So yes, we'll be using a color stay, and yes, if you're new to my page, please kindly consider subscribing. If you're an OG before, I want to say thank you very much once again for joining my page. Thank you, God bless you. So we'll be using color stay basically. So the length for any curve is 10 inch. Normal size for an adult is 10 inch, the width, and the height is 2.5. So for bigger sizes like size 18, 20, 21, I do 10.5 depending, but for a normal curve is 10 inch by 2.5 inch. So that's what I just did there, 10 inch by 2.5 inch. So that's what I marked out. You can see 2.5, that gives me 5 inches. So 10 inch by 2.5. So I'm marking it out. So, but just to clarify, this is the basic. This is the standard one. So if you want to adjust it, maybe you want it smaller, if you want it bigger, it's totally up to you. But this is just the standard. And if you want to make it a double, because we have some curves that are double, that's another different ways. So I'll explain that probably in any of my videos. But it's just a single curve color. So if you want to do the double one, it's going to be same like this. It's going to be, instead of 10.25 like I said for this one, that one is going to be 10 inch by 5 inches. So it's going to be doubled, it's going to be folded over, it won't be cut. So you see, so now this shape for this one totally depends on you. You can do like this slanted one, which is 3/4 on both sides, or you can do a curved one, or you can do a pointed one, the one that was the initial one. So it's up to you what you want to do. But because I am doing a curve that is not the regular, like I'm doing a designer curve like you've seen in the video before, so I'll be using a fabric I'll be using a 2-color fabric to have 2 designs. So that's what I'll be doing. So you can see, so because I'm doing an order for a client, so I just wanted to make sure that it's well balanced. So you can see, so for basically curves are probably supposed to be plain, but because mine is quite for an order, so and I just feel like let me just do a video in case someone needs to see this, someone needs to know this, someone needs to understand this. So that's why I'll be doing a video for that. So you can see, so I'm using 2 color. So that's why I had to mark it in between, so that my stitching, my gumming or my ironing will be at the middle part, so it doesn't look like it's slanted. One is bigger and one is smaller. So that's why I'll be ironing it like that. So once again, if you're new to my channel, please kindly consider subscribing, because we have a lot of videos on this page, from how to make wedding dress, how to make corset, how to make corsets, wedding dress, wedding gowns, graduation gown, graduation cap, shirts, polo, meant to wear, basically all round. That's what we make all round. So if that's what you think of, if that's what you want, please kindly consider subscribing to my channel. Yes, so all around fashion for male and female, we do both, the 2. So yes, thank you very much. So what you do is just to fold it. Like I said, I'm just basically using the right process. You can see now it's in the middle. So I'll be cutting the fabric for the inside part. So I'll be using a fabric which is the red fabric to make it more designed and more balanced. Yes. So there's no curve without the, I'm sure we understand that there's no curve without the, what's it called again? Is it the flap? The sleeve flap. I think that's the way, that's what it's called. So So within the the flap, or the, I can't remember the exact name, so but that's the flap for the cuff. So yes, that's 3" by 7". That one is 3" by 7". So that cuff itself, is it flap? I can't remember the exact word. It's 3" by 7". So you can see. So yes, I'm folding it into 2. So that's 7" by 3", exactly like that. So I first of all fold it into 2. You can see 3 by 7. So I'll fold it into 2 first, which will give me 1.5. My aim is 1 inch. My aim is 1 inch. So yes. So I folded that. You can see the I'm cutting it out. Yes. So because I need 5" for the opening for the sleeve. So that's 5". So I'll be cutting it to that point or so. You can see. Yes, so that's it. So I'll be folding the 1/2 inch to make it balanced for 1 inch. So anyhow you want to fold it, depending on how you want it to be, but the point is it must be pointed at the edge. It's necessary. That's how it's supposed to be. Except you want to do a design that is just squared, it's up to you. But the standard one is pointed, like you see. So I have to iron it out. I can see it's okay, and I can now press it easily. You can see, yes. And my cuff is not more than 1 inch. It has to be 1 inch, nothing more than that. You can see. So that's, with that basically I have a cuff already. I have the cuffs already. You can see. So that's that. So let's go to the machine and start stitching. It's as easy as that. So that will be the other side of the sleeve cuff. So that one is just basically 2 inch by any length, which is going to be a 9 or 10, depending on how you want it to cuff to be. So let's go to the machine. If you haven't subscribed, please, if you have watched to this extent and you feel like you're getting value, please kindly subscribe. Kindly consider subscribing. Yes, it goes a long way. It also lets the algorithm knows that you like this. If you're watching on Facebook, kindly just click on follow, because we drop videos almost every week, so I can be a partaker of every of the blessings and every the videos we drop. So first of all, I had to tap down. So because I'm not doing the olden ways of doing cuff, I'll be doing the modern ways, the more civilized way. So what I'll do is I will fold. You can see I folded the edge like that. You can see I folded the edge inside, so it's easier for me to stitch. Note, I am not stitching on the collar. I'm stitching outside of the collar on the fabric. You see, I'm stitching outside of the collar on the fabric. You can see. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just following closely to the collar, but not on the collar. Once you step on the collar, it disrupts the whole design. So you understand. So that's that. So that's it. You can see it's very easy. Cut the edges, then turn it, as you can see now. Automatically you can see the way it's been done. So automatically you can see the red is just showing a little bit, which is the whole excess of folding it. Yes, and I folded it so that the edges will be, so that I don't have to be confused about stitching it when I'm stitching. So this makes it very easy and comfortable. That's just the point. So this is for the second hand. So same thing goes for this also. Please, if you're watching, please just drop a like, just give us a thumbs up. Let us know you're enjoying the video so far. Just a thumbs up that will be very lovely. Thank you very much once again. Like I said, we have a lot of videos that we have dropped on the page. We have graduation gown, graduation cap, wedding dress, corset, A-line skirts, men's wears, ladies, just anything that's to do with fashion clothing in terms of men and female. We'll meet it on the page. So please kindly browse through our page. So it's ironed out already. So this is the outcome. This is the outcome of it. You can see very relaxed and very comfortable. So I'll be doing the cuff, and the flap for the sleeve. You can see. So that's it. put it at the edge by 1.5 inch. So you can see, so 1/2 inch all the way down. Turn the other side and put the other one, the red one also. The essence of the red is just to make it more beautiful and more colorful and more matured. Most people don't want it, so I ask my clients if they want it. Most of them say, oh yes, no problem, as far as it's coming out well. Some clients will say, no, just make my clothes as plain as possible, because they don't want complicated colors, so which is okay. So yes, so I'll be notching the both sides easily. Don't forget the space in between is 1 inch, 1/2 inch on both sides. Yes, so this one I'll be folding it to have my 1/2 inch back. You can see. I'll be double stitching this for more beauty reasons. So after that is done, I'll be relaxing the other side. So yes, that's closed up. So I tack it to make sure that the red underneath is also covered. It's very necessary. So yes, you can see laying flats, beautiful. If it's closed, it's okay. If it's open, you see the red is showing. So I want to put the cuff now. Then just join the sides. Don't forget that if you notice my sleeve has a notch by the side, the middle part, you can see it's notched by the middle part. So yes. So you see, and if you have liked to this extent, if you have watched to this extent, please kindly consider liking or sharing my page, sharing my video. Just a thumbs up goes a long way, and a pressing on subscribe button also lets your grading know that you like what you're watching. Yes. So let's go to the creating of the cuff. Very important. So yes, that's that. So I'll start with the side. So because it's well ironed, I just have to put this inside. I have to start from the smaller side. Yes, you can see I have to start. I'm not starting from the bigger side. I'm starting from the smaller side because I want to fold the edge for the other side. So I'll explain that shortly. I'll start from here so that I can control the excess that will be there. Like I will open my slits like you've seen. So I'm starting from there so I can adjust the excess. It's normal for it to have an excess. So you can see once I put the edge to this one, you can see inside. Then the excess that is there, I have to fold it on the notch I have, because it has to be on the notch. That's the balance way. That will be where the ironing of the sleeve will be. So that's where it lies properly. You can see. So that's it, like that. You can see how it's been done now. You see. So you can see if it's the other way around, if it's the holding days, I'll probably start adjusting one to the other side. Let me do this one so you can get another grasp of it. So I'm doing the other way around. Like I said, I'm starting from the smaller side of the sleeve opening. You can see, open the slit, open the joining, then stitch it down. Yes, you can see. So put the bigger one inside to make sure that it's balanced. Then any excess that is there, fold it based on the notch. Yes, based on the notch. You see, so based on the notch. So that's that. You can see. If you have watched this video to this extent, please, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. This is just a small video, small tutorial, but we have more coming your way, and we have more that's already on the page. So if you want to learn more, please kindly subscribe, kindly like, and kindly share. And also see you on some other videos. I really appreciate your time, and I really appreciate if you subscribe. Yes, if you subscribe. So yes, thank you very much. I have more videos like this. You can see how neatly and how balanced it is. Very neat and comfortable. Yes, that's the idea. It has to be neat and it has to be relaxing. That's clothing, not rush. Yes, you can see even the lapel underneath. You can see that it's properly functional. Thank you very much. See you on some other videos.